No, Mkpuru daily. In the last class, we learned about nri as some of the things we find in the market. Today, we will be learning about fruits. Mkpuru osisi. Fruits. Mkpuru osisi. Some of the fruits you find in the market are oroma, orange. Oroma, orange. Unere, banana. Unere, banana. Ugiri bekee, mango. Ugiri bekee, mango. Udara. This is the African star apple. Udara, African star apple. Some of you know it as agbalumo. And ube oyibo. Ube oyibo. This is the avocado pear. So now we know some fruits, that's the names of some fruits that we find in the market. If you go to the market and you meet an Igbo person, please try to use these words with them. Ngwanu kode.